how to take care of your hair. Who does no longer dream of having lengthy, thick, and wholesome hair? Both males and females alike need to get and keep their hair in extremely good shape. Healthful hair is powerful, silky, and easy. Thick, captivating hair that shines vivid and makes people appearance neat and tidy is the type of hair health the majority continually battle to attain. Want that lengthy, silky hair for yourself? This kind of hair is frequently exaggerated for promotional purposes in classified ads for hair products and hair care. However, the hair of your desires remains very achievable in actual lifestyles as properly. Right here we test a number of the maximum confirmed and effective approaches to hold your hair healthful. Provide your hair a trim. Ensure you get your hair regularly trimmed. Have it trimmed via a professional barber or stylist. Short hair need to be trimmed every 4 to 8 weeks, at the same time as the encouraged time period for trimming for medium to long hair is 6 to 12 weeks. If going the expert path isn't always your desire, it's miles possible to do it yourself at home with a little bit of practice. All you want is a pair of scissors to get you started together with your domestic trims. Hair trimming aids the hair with its growth. It'd sound counterproductive, but that is especially true. That is because normal trims help dispose of damaged hair and break up ends, promoting further hair increase from the roots. Trimming your ends will make your hair softer and greater flexible, thereby stopping breakage. Cleanse with shampoo and conditioner. It's very important to shampoo your hair because it helps smooth your scalp. When you shampoo, take note of the scalp and not the ends of your hair. You should also recognize the proper quantity of shampoo to apply, depending on the period of your hair. That is due to the fact over-applying shampoo makes the hair dry by means of doing away with all the crucial oils responsible, retaining your hair moisturized, and giving it that herbal luster. How regularly you want to wash your hair will vary based totally on its texture, however a couple of times every week is best for most of the people. Condition your hair. The usage of a high first-class conditioner after shampooing to revitalize your strands with moisture. Dry your wet hair with a smooth towel before applying a conditioner. Observe the conditioner with special focus on the ends of the hair and not at the roots. Precise weight reduction plan. This is probably the best and vital manner of preserving your hair healthful. Nutrients, protein, and iron found in sure ingredients are very critical for hair increase. The hair cells want these vitamins for growth. They also deliver hair its natural sheen. We recommend that you contain iron-rich foods together with fish, beans, soybeans and vegetables into your day-by-day eating regimen. You have to additionally consist of protein-rich sources, which include milk, peas, and lentils. Drink masses of water every day to reinforce the work you are doing together with your food regimen. Retaining your self-hydrated manner healthful pores in skin, nails, and of course, hair. Follow hair oils. This is a not unusual way of promoting healthful hair increase. It's a very conventional manner of making sure a healthy searching hair. It really works by regulating the quantity of oil produced with the aid of the oil gland in the pores and skin of your head. The oil produced then moisturizes the hair and the scalp. Try applying a touch coconut, almond, or olive oil in your scalp and strands regularly. If you have thin directly hair, practice an essential oil like coconut oil for your hair earlier than shampoos and bypass the normal programs. Your hair type is more at risk of oil, so an overabundance of oil will make it seem weighed down. When you have kinky dry hair, observe oil while hair is wet to seal in moisture. Due to the fact your hair has a tendency to be drier, oil facilitates the hair maintain its moisture, maintaining it from breakage. You won't believe the effects. Smooth, workable, wholesome hair. I assure you with your recipe be dissatisfied. If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.